My dear friends, my dear masters and my dear gods, we are all friends of each other. We are masters of our lives, and as gods we are creators. Friendship science is the best science. Friendship with every existence. Friendship with the animals, friendship with the birds, friendship with the fish, friendship with the plants, trees, friendship with the minerals, friendship with the elements, friendship with our own body, friendship with other gods who are on the other side, friendship with the departed souls, friendship with the Mother Earth, friendship with our own family members. Not relationship with our family members, friendship with our family members. Friendship with neighbors. Friendship with strangers. Friendship is the greatest concept, spiritual concept. And we are all here to be friends of each other all the time. We may disagree. We have to disagree many times. But we never disagree on friendship. We disagree on certain concepts, certain points of presentation, of representation. But there is no disagreement on friendship at all. Our life is meant to practice friendship. That's why we are born in a very strange society with different souls, levels of souls. With everybody, we have to practice friendship. Friendship is the first goal. Whenever you see some new person, just have a smile. That smile is an ambassador of friendship.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.